Hello class 8. Today in this video I am going to start chapter 8, that is simple and compound interest. Now before starting this exercise we should know what is simple interest and other terms related to simple interest. Simple interest, in this we should know what is principal. Principal means the money borrowed is called principal. So a person who is borrowing the money from the other person, that money is called the principal. Next term is interest. The additional money paid by the borrower to the money lender in lieu of the money used is called interest. If suppose I have taken the money from a money lender and in return I have to pay extra money to him or her, so that money is called the interest. Next is amount. The total money paid by the borrower to the money lender is called amount. Means when whatever the money I have borrowed from the borrower money lender and whatever the interest I have to pay in lieu of using his money, the total of that is called the amount. So amount is equals to principal, the money borrowed, plus interest. Rate. Now what is rate? It is the interest paid on ₹100 for a specified period, like 4% per annum, 6% per annum, and that is called the rate. And time. It is the time for which the money is borrowed. Suppose I have taken the money for 1 year, or for 2 years, or for 3 years. So this 1 year, 2 year, 3 year are called the time. Now simple interest. What is simple interest? It is the interest calculated on the original money, that is principal, at given rate of interest for any given time. Okay, so this is called the simple interest. Now the formula for simple interest. Simple interest is given by the formula, which is this formula is there for simple interest. Simple interest equals to principal into rate into time upon 100. P is for principal, R is for rate, and T stands for time. So we can write this formula in this form: I equals to P into R into T upon 100. Suppose I is already given and R and T are given. To find out the value of P, we will use this formula: P equals to 100 into I into upon R into T. And in this one, if we have to find out the rate, principal, time and interest are already given, then by this using this formula we can find out the rate. R is equals to 100 into I upon P into T. The last one is, if you have to find out the time, then T equals to 100 into I upon P into R. Now I am taking question number 1 of exercise 8.1. In this question, find the simple interest on ₹4,000 at 7.5% per annum for 3 years, 3 months. Also find the amount. So here if you see the question, principal is given equal to ₹4,000. Rate is 7.5% per annum. Time is given 3 years, 3 months. We have to find out the simple interest. In this question, the time is given in years and months. We have to convert it into years first. So 3 years is already in years, 3 months, because 1 year equals to 12 months. So we'll divide this by 12 to change it into months. So 3 1 are 3, 3 4 are 12. So this will be equal to 3 whole number 1 by 4, which is equals to 4 3s are 12 and 1 13 upon 4 years. Now the formula for simple interest is P into R into T upon 100. So what is P here? P is 4,000. So we'll put this value over here. rate is 7.5% and time is 13 upon 4, and this 100 will come over here. We can remove this decimal to get one 0 over here. Now these 3 zeros are cancelled by these 3 0, and this 4 1 4, 4 1 4 will be cancelled. Now what we have to do? We have to multiply 75 by 13. 13 5 is 65, carry 6. 13 7 is 91 and 6 is 97. So this is the simple interest. Now in this question we have to find out the amount also, and the formula for amount is principal plus interest. So principal is 4,000 and interest is 975. So the amount is rupees 4,975. This is the answer of question number 1. Now I am explaining question number 3. Find the rate of interest when rupees 800 fetches rupees 130 as a simple interest in 2 years 6 months. If you see the question, children, you have to find the rate of interest, means you have to find out R. And when 800 fetches, 800 is the principal. P is equals to rupees 800, and 130 as a simple interest means interest is given, which is rupees 130, and interest in 2 years 6 months. 2 years 6 months is the time. T is equals to 2 years and 6 months. As I told you in question number 1, months has to be converted into years. So 2 plus 6 upon 12, as 1 year has 12 months. So it can be cancelled by this. 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12. So this will be equal to 2 whole number 1 upon 2 years, or equals to 2 2s are 4 and 1, 5 upon 2 years. Right, children? Now we have to find out, as you know that we have to find out the rate. The formula for rate is 100 into I, simple interest, upon P into T. This is the formula. So we'll put the values of I, P and T in this. So what is I here? I is 130. So 100 multiplied by 130 upon P. P is 800. And time is 5.2 years, means 5 over here, and this 2 will come in the numerator. Now see, we can cancel these 2 0 by these 2 0, and 2 1 is 2, 2 4 is 8, 130 is divisible by 5, so 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 6 is 30, 26 and 4 can be cancelled by 2, so 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6. So 13 upon 2%, which can be written in the mixed form like 6 whole number 1 upon 2%. This is the answer of this question. Rate equals to 6.5%. Question number 6. In this question, the question is, how long will it take a certain sum of money to triple itself at 13.1/3% per annum simple interest? So here, how long means we have to find out the time. Right, children? And the sum of money. Sum of money is also not given. So we'll take, let the sum of money be X. Money be X. Now because it is becoming triple, so amount is equals to triple of it means 3x. From here we can find out the interest, as we know that interest is equals to amount minus principal. So amount is 3x and principal is x. So interest is 2x. 3 minus 1 equals to 2x. And the rate of interest is also given. R is equals to 13 whole number 1 upon 3%, which can be written as 13 3s are 39 plus 1 is 40 upon 3%. We have to find out the time, and the formula for time is 100 into I, interest, upon principal into rate. So here 100, I, interest is 2x, and principal, as we have taken principal as x, so x will come over here. The rate is 40 upon 3. 40 upon 3. This 3 will come in the numerator. Now see over here, this x will be cancelled by x. 1 0 will be cancelled by 1 0. We can divide this by 2. 2 1 are 2 and 2 2s are 4. And again this 2 1 are 2. 2 5s are 10. So what is coming? 5 multiplied by 3 is left. So 5 3s are 15 years. So the time is 15 years in this question. I hope you have understood the formulas given in this exercise and understood how to solve the questions, and the method which I told you and the formulas which I explained to you in this exercise, which it will be helpful for you to solve the question of 8.1 exercise.